As agencies move their data centers to the cloud, maintaining compliance and cybersecurity is paramount. The future is calling for more use of intelligent automation as technology evolves. With agencies having hundreds of thousands of endpoints, including desktops, tablets, mobile devices, and the countless different software and operating systems for each, maintaining compliance can be a never-ending nightmare. It can also be time-consuming and drain resources, as individual IT experts are needed to maintain compliance for each specific system. Automation is a great way to keep up with those demands. Hiring additional people is not always the answer. However, automation isn't always an easy endeavor. But imagine having a system that is intelligent, allows for continuous compliance, and has event-driven automation that is built for any scale. A system that actively heals and protects, which means that your digital infrastructures can remain safer and more secure, increasing the impact of your entire team from your support techs to engineers. IT OneSource, a NITAAC CIO-CS contract holder, has leveraged Saltstack, an intelligent automation platform, to do just that.
IT One operates in 4 areas: cloud, infrastructure, security, and collaboration. And we're partnering today with Saltstack with reference to the cloud implementation side of the business. And within the cloud side of the business, what IT One offers is education, consultation, implementation, and support. Saltstack enhances that relationship by providing an intelligent automation platform that'll make it more efficient, more automated, and more compliant within your infrastructure.
So the business justification for any agency using Saltstack falls into a couple of buckets. The first is scale. If you actually need to solve a problem at scale of tens or hundreds of thousands of devices. Number 2 is, what is the cost of not automatically remediating compliance and security issues, particularly in the cloud? As agencies move more of their software to the cloud, there are more potential gaps and more potential places to be exploited. Saltstack addresses those. Finally, many of our customers have wound up paying for Saltstack simply by consolidating the number of tools that they're using today.
An agency can sign up for an IT One Saltstack solution with first in a consultation mode before the contract award, so they get an understanding of how that solution will work within their environment. And once they've awarded the contract, IT One and Saltstack will sit down and talk about how to install the intelligent automation platform so they can make their implementation more efficient and more secure and manage to their cloud lifecycle going forward.
This innovative solution from IT OneSource can be acquired through NITAAC's best-in-class government-wide acquisition contract, CIO-CS. NITAAC provides any Department of Defense or federal agency with best-in-class government-wide acquisition contracts like CIO-CS to meet virtually every IT need. To learn more about IT automation solutions and services available for Department of Defense and federal agencies, visit nitaac.nih.gov.